Hello and good day. This one is BMW 740 2019. We are replacing a starting battery and auxiliary battery. This one is previously installed faulty battery. This is 60 AGM and this one is 90 AGM. We are placing a backup battery before replacing the old batteries. This one is Varta G1495 AGM technology and this one is Varta D5260 AGM technology. These are the batteries we are going to replace in this vehicle.
छोड़ दिया कोई मसला
As you can see, the main battery is now installed. As you can see, both of these batteries are perfectly fitted and the terminals are properly seated. We are going to scan for all the fault codes that were raised due to previously installed faulty battery. Now we are scanning for all the fault codes that were raised due to the previously installed faulty battery. After this procedure, we are simply going to remove them. As you can see, these are all the fault codes that were raised due to the faulty batteries. You can see all the fault codes are now gone. Now we are going to register the battery, the power control module. First we are going to register the auxiliary battery. Now we are replacing the starting battery. This one is, as you can see, 90 ampere AGM technology. We are replacing 95 AGM, so we are gonna go with the F1. As you can see, the starting battery has also been registered in this vehicle. Thanks for watching Bajaj Sense Pakistan.